All right, Mr. Stud Muffin from Canada. My dog Emma here. Emma, you up for the challenge? Speak. She is up for the challenge. And let me just digress for a minute. Just because my wife is from Toronto and I'm wearing a Sea-Doo shirt does not make me a Canadiophile. I have nothing against the Canadians, but anyway, let's get to the trick. Now hold on a minute. Emma, you ready to play? Steady. No. Stay. Stay. No. 15 more seconds. Stay. You can stay. Don't move. Does it smell good? Can you do it? Not yet. Are you starting to sweat?
Give her just a couple of more seconds.
Stay. Don't screw it up now. We're gonna win. We're so close to winning. Stay. Just 2 or 3 more seconds, okay? Can you speak? Trick!
Yay! We did it!
I think somebody won!
3-5. Yeah, baby. Emma, you're a good girl.
Okay, let's go.